What's going on, y'all? I'm Jay.
I'm Charlotte.
Welcome to Algiere Ranch, where we're building our dream of first generation cattle ranch here in Missouri.
That's right.
Yeah, we've been here a little over a year and had cows. We are celebrating our month. This is our month of March that we've had cattle for an entire year. Which may not seem like a lot to y'all, but for us, not having any experience ever, and just jumping into it, it's a pretty big month. So we're doing some cool things, and thank you all for helping us throughout the month of March and donating to our local FFA. As soon as we get that final number, we're going to let you guys know so we can go to that auction and take all that money and give it to the younger generation so they get rolling. So thank you all for participating in that. But if you're new here or not new here, we appreciate you. We love you. And we got some work to do today because we got storms rolling in. So let's see how much we can get done before that.
I just need to warn you guys. He's being extra ornery today.
Who?
You are.
Why are you pointing that hand at me?
You are.
That is not... Are you talking about Tai?
No, I'm talking about you.
Zeus?
So don't say I didn't warn you.
You're... Get out. That's not... That is rude.
That's true.
How's
I'm
it
just
true?
telling the truth.
What'd I do?
You're being ornery.
Name one. Exactly. I ain't do nothing.
Oh my God.
Ain't done nothing wrong.
Well, look at all these cows all the way over here.
Yeah, what are they doing up there?
They're never over on that hill.
So the day has come that we are actually going to put this fence line in that we told you about for this front pen. We're going to do it today. Today it is getting done. So...
And we're actually doing a little different than we had originally thought.
Yeah, it is going to be a little different. And I've changed this corral pen about 17 times, and we're going to change it again.
Oh yeah, well we didn't give them the update for the corral, how it is now.
Oh.
So we got to show them that
We can
first.
go down there and look at that. I'll show you the update that we did. Well, mainly. Hey, Tai.
Titan,
Get up
what
here.
do you think
Mommy's not
you're
even paying attention. Come on, go.
No, that's not what that meant. It meant for Titan.
Go right through there.
Zeusy, Apollo, Titan. That's the pity bros. They mainly don't come in here because of the donkeys.
The donks.
FYI.
The other day I did a little expansion. Nothing huge, nothing crazy. But we got a little video. I'll show you what I did, but I took this gate off, slid this panel used to be up against here, slid this all the way down, and then I put this panel in.
Which that's so nice because
Nice
that
and secured.
gate is a lot shorter than this gate. So now this alleyway is like even.
And this is pretty darn secured.
Yeah, it is.
This is concreted in the ground. I got this tied to this post in the ground. So now I found some bottles while I was working. Now, like Charlotte was saying, this will close right here. That's if we keep it this way.
I don't know what you have in mind right now, but this looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, I'm just thinking about, with the hay being there, and I don't want to get stuck again. So if we were somehow able to create the chute to go up that way, I think that'd be a little better. So let's play around with it. See what we can come up with. Either way, that'll stay there. We would just shift this way and figure out from there. So that's the update here. You guys can see so you'll see some parts right there.
was out when we woke up this morning.
Was.
So my coffee didn't start going.
Power was out at about 4 a.m. because I woke up. Because it was silent.
Yeah, it was. It's weird. When we woke up, we could hear Joe Diffie yelling.
Yeah, when it's silent, I hear everything and then I can't sleep. So. Oh, ain't nothing happening.
What are you doing?
Nothing's happening up here. Don't worry about it. Go do your thing.
You see those purple buds on those trees?
Yeah, there's stuff blooming.
It is.
You better be careful with that. Keep tossing it around there. You don't get zapped.
You helping us get everything ready, Lucy? No, it's starting to rain a little bit. Hopefully it holds off for us. We're taking the tractor down, I guess?
Yeah, we're taking the tractor down there.
We're getting the cows all worked up.
Cows are getting all worked up.
Ty.
I just will letting him get a second. He can't come with us. All right, buddy. You got to get in the tractor. Good job.
Good boy.
All right.
Come on.
Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
Come on, Ty.
No, Ty. That way.
Come on.
Go.
Come on.
Come on.
Ooh.
There you go.
Oh,
No, go.
Come on. Created a problem with him loving that so much. Well, nobody told you to come over here. And nobody said so.
All right. Everybody got the zoomies. Everybody just wanted to go for a run.
Here goes this one.
What's happening? All right. Well, time to get to work.
Oh my gosh. Well, I think Elsie went down there quickly to go back to her baby.
What?
6 sprinted down there. And then the rest just sprinted down after 6.
So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to create the same little divide right here that we got down there.
Mm-hmm.
We might need to put one more post in here actually.
Okay.
So work ain't going to get done just looking at it, is it?
No.
You know what I'm saying?
All right, Dan.
Put them up, sucker. All right, Dan.
Can sure hear those boys.
Boys! Maybe do 3.
Okay.
Maybe we go 3. And then the 4th one up. And then 4 again.
Yeah, that'd probably be better.
Yeah.
That's probably the height that
Yep.
you want. So 1, 2, 3 from the bottom. Okay, this looks like the end.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need a couple posts in here, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
It'll be alright. Alright. Let's go. Here, I'll take those. You can carry that.
Get the ranch fan.
Whoa, baby!
Almost wiped out. Good thing I was on you, not me.
You almost landed in a cow doo-doo. You'd have had a pie of cow boo-boo. I would not have laughed.
Yeah, look at me and tell me that.
I would not have left.
Exactly.
Woo-wee.
Yeah, it's tough terrain back here.
Sure is. That's why I'm excited to get them cows back here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's more barbed wire.
I'll get it. Right by that tree. Perfect. Is this about where you're putting the posts?
Yeah, one of them. Give me a big push.
This way?
Yep. Bigger.
Here comes the rain. Jeez.
Pressure that.
Sounds like rock, yeah.
We'll just realign this. We'll kind of bend it back in here. So we'll take that other one out that we just put out.
Okay.
And we'll probably move these two up to come in this line. Not the straightest one we've ever seen. Maybe we don't even worry about it. Maybe we just let it
Yeah.
S. I mean, I ain't too worried about it.
Well, we've been working.
Yeah. Sorry we had to turn it off for a minute. We were getting rained on and didn't want to get the phone and everything wet, and we were trying to get stuff done. But wait till you guys see. We got a lot of stuff done here.
Yes, we did.
I mean, it looks completely different.
I know you're gonna be
I'm
like,
not
wait,
even
what?
kidding.
The cows don't like it.
Cows do not like it. So first, you can see we changed the corral layout.
This is the first time they've come up here, really.
They're not happy about the new fence.
No.
What's the deal? They say you put a stupid fence in here. Now we can't get up there.
Yeah.
All right, so we've been talking about dividing this up for a long time, and we finally did it.
Finally did it.
All the way down across yonder,
Where they're yelling.
where they're yelling, this is all divided off. Now the cows cannot come up in here to this front pasture. And then we elongated out the corral, so now it goes from this middle pasture up to the top fence.
Yep.
So now we've even created a small pen over here, a corral in the middle, and then another pasture over there. Because last time we just had this huge open pasture, and
Yeah.
this small little pen to try to figure out how to get them all in, how to separate them.
A big reason why we wanted to fence this off is because when we backed the trailer in, the truck was right here. All the cows were all around the truck.
Yep.
So this will keep them separated from something else that's coming down through here. You want to walk them through the corral?
Yeah, so we got a couple different options. We'll start with the loading and unloading. So now anytime we need to load or unload, this gate will open. You can just back a trailer right down here. Basically just hug it against here. This will be open. That's electric fence, so they won't want to touch it.
Yep.
But we can get the trailer as close as needed. Tuck it on in.
Yep.
Boom. Or unloading.
They have this little chute.
It opens up.
They got all this space.
There's all this space in here.
Fresh hay, fresh water.
So then with this, what we'll be able to do is when they're in here, say we want to turn them off that way, we can make one of these into we can make one of these into like almost a cut gate, so we could open it up, let them out there. Even if we're trying to separate, now we have multiple opportunities. So, you know, if we want to send them that way, we can. Let's say we got a bull, a cow, and 2 heifers. We want the bull to go over here, we want the heifers to go over there. We want to keep the cow in. Like, now we could separate everybody and it would work.
Yeah, that'll be so nice.
So we could always let them out through this gate. They don't have to go back out the way that they came. You know, once we get some other panels, we can add in, you know, different sections or things of that nature. But pretty happy with this layout.
Yeah, I think it looks great. And then this is just a temporary wire right there, so we can take that out and then bring the tractor down through right here where the driveway was originally.
Yep.
So
eventually we'll put a gate in there, but for now that's gonna work just fine.
it's a long ways from, well, we're taking that tree out anyways, so we'll probably wait to put a gate in until we take that out.
Who knows?
Who knows? But from that tree to this post, it's that red gate size, and that gate is just so long.
Yeah, I think that's an 18-foot gate.
Yeah, crazy.
It's a big old gate. That's what we've been doing. Ran all that wire, got this all set up, and it was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. We've gotten to a point now where with like fencing, it's just like, I know when to pull, he knows when to tighten. I know when to do this, that, so we don't even really have to say it. We just kind of go. Whereas when we were learning how to do it, it was like, okay, yeah, no, pull this. No, yeah, okay, I gotta twist this.
Or how do we do this corner post?
Yeah. From that tree line all the way to that corner post right there.
We did all that in like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Post and pulling wires, tying the wires, all of it. Like
And
2 hours.
tightening it. I mean, it's completely done. Some of the fences back there, we would like run it and not tighten it or whatever.
It probably wasn't even 2 hours because moving this corral, we worked on a lot too.
Yeah, that's true.
I'd say maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Yeah. And they're like, what the heck? And now we're just waiting. It's all set up.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, we are gonna have to actually eat something because we have not eaten any.
I ain't just waiting. I'm hungry.
There's little Lonnie
Where's little Lonnie?
out there with Elsie and Titus. Yeah, she being cute. We saw Elsie while we were working on the fence. We saw her up by the fence on the opposite side of the middle pasture, mooing really loud all of a sudden. And we were like, oh gosh, where's Lonnie?
Making me nervous.
Yeah. And then Lonnie was like, all the way on this hill. But I was like, did she really just go on the opposite side of the fence again? It was a false alarm.
Killing me.
Well, sorry we didn't take you with us while we were doing all that. We had some family stop by, so we were just hanging out with them while we were doing it.
Yeah. We were doing that. We were just enjoying our time and working and getting stuff done. We were in a little bit of a time crunch too, so.
Yeah.
For no reason. Maybe you'll see.
Or there is a reason, and you'll have to wait and see.
All right. Well, we're gonna grab some food real quick.
You probably need a shower.
I definitely need a shower. I got sweaty.
We'll really put this cattle chute to the test today.
Today.
Did I say today? You can just barely see her now. And she's not moving. In our last video, a couple of people said that they couldn't find her at all.
What?
Yeah. She blends in so well with all that hay.
Yeah.
Oh, the boys have been out here with us too. We got Paulo. Now you can really tell because of his red ball. Lucy. And Tai. Ty's upset because he didn't get to go on the tractor today. I'm sorry, Tai. All right. Man's on a move to go get some food, so we'll be right back.
like it is the real deal this time. It's really happening.
They're like, I think I heard the bucket this time. I'm staying here, Tai. Oh yeah, they're coming now.
Yep, we gotta hurry so we can beat them. Go get that other gate. What's going on, everybody? You guys want some of this? Well, come on.
That looks so cool from here. I mean, that was a pretty good trot for being uphill.
Come here, Titus.
There's a line.
Titus. Come here, big boy.
She's like, I saw you give him some.
You need to eat from the ground. Okay? Can you eat from the ground? Here. Look. Look.
Good girl. Hi, Jenny girl.
Here you go.
You're a little thing. Not you, Jeffrey. Is that good, Luna?
Here, Jeffrey. Titus, I gave you the biggest pile up there, dude.
Hey, girls. Look at all this green coming up. There you go. Here's little Lonnie.
There's little Lonnie. Hi, little cutie. Hi. Hello. Hi, mamas. Look at your little baby. She's cute.
So stinking cute.
Oh, man, she's stinking cute.
Oh, all the little ones are down here playing.
Oh, did you see that there?
Yeah.
Did you catch that?
Yeah.
Nice. That's number 6. He thinks he's something tough.
Speedy demon.
Yeah,
She's getting some milk now.
yeah. That's good, at least.
Woo-wee. You better get to drinking, girl.
Sadie, let me touch her.
Good girl, Sadie.
Watch your baby.
I didn't want to.
There we
Good
go.
girl.
Makes me feel better. I want to get her out of the middle. Because then that...
Just wait a second, because they're all going crazy, girl.
I'm just getting you out of the way.
Yep. Mom's right there. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. They're little sisters. Oh, yep, typical.
Hey. No. Knock it off. You don't need to be doing that. You're already worn out.
Hi, Jamie. Earlier we were talking about we were hanging out with family friends earlier today, and we were talking about Lonnie, and he was wearing that hat. He was like, it's probably about the same color as this hat, actually. And she's like, exactly the same color. Oh, Luna, are they just pushing you all around, girl? I don't have nothing for you. You do gotta work for them, okay? I really don't have any, girl. You better go get some. Dad might have some left. These two right here are the ones that are closest, actually. So we're about to have 2 more little ones. Hi, Lonnie. That's a little one right there.
Jeffrey. Little Lonnie being a model for you?
Yeah,
She's so cute.
I know. He's right here, Elsie. More and more green coming through every time we come out here, I swear.
Yeah.
Look at all these red ones right here.
Well, I guess I need to address the elephant in the room. Or the t-shirt.
In the room. In the not room.
Yeah. So you guys see, I changed my shirt. We did go inside because we were working all morning. Like Charlotte was talking about. I get sweaty.
Yeah.
I get sweaty. It was like 77 degrees out.
Yeah, it was nice.
We had a little bit of rain, so it was cool, but then it got kind of warm. So I got a little sweaty, so took a shower, rinsed off, we ate some food. Now coming back out to finish evening chores. So I changed my shirt. You guys can see it's basically the same shirt, just different color. This shirt's from Stockyard Supply Co., which we do not have any agreement with them. We are not paid from them or anything like that. Would I like to be? Maybe that's what we're working towards. But they sent me a box of shirts to try out because I told them, I was like, hey, I'm not going to promote anything or, recommend, hey, girls, go wrestle somewhere else. As I was moodily interrupted.
You're like, what?
Go.
Yeah, you girls are gonna. You girls are gonna play. You don't get scratches and wrestle at the same time.
All right. So as I was saying, I was like, I can't recommend anything that I haven't, tried myself, put to the test. I don't know the quality. So they're like, cool, we'll send you a box. Try them out. So you guys have seen, I've been wearing them a lot. Yeah. I got a green one. I got like a charcoal one and then this white one. I basically wear them as often as they're clean.
Yeah, that's true.
That's why I always have one on.
Yeah.
I do like them. I've come to the conclusion, I've worn them. I've put them through, building fences with them, doing chores. Sweating, moving the corral multiple times. I can say that I do like them. Like, I don't know if they'll stay or last, but like as of right now, I do love the shirts.
He also has a hard time with like button downs. Every time we've gotten him button downs before, his shoulders are so broad that they like pull in the back.
Yeah,
and these don't do that at all.
Enough room
where you can actually move around.
I can work in them, which is good.
Yeah, because he's been wanting button downs like this for a while, but like the pulling would drive him insane. And these buttons too, they are sturdy. I mean, even when I was trying to hang them from washing them, I was like, oh my gosh.
So, by no means, this is not an ad.
No.
Okay, we're not getting paid to say this. What this is if you guys want to help us out and you think that we should work with that company or you think they should work with us, go tell them hello from us.
Yeah.
Maybe saying, hey, maybe you should work with Algiere Ranch.
Yeah.
And then hopefully getting Charlotte to rock. I love the pearl snaps.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to get.
I wore one today.
You did, which I love.
He goes, yeah, when I put it on.
Yeah. So I love them. If you guys want to help out, you want to go drop over to their YouTube channel, drop a little comment. We like them.
Yeah. Oh, where's everybody going?
I don't know. They felt like taking a little walk down there.
Oh my gosh, it looks like Jeffrey's walking with Lonnie. That was cute. Yeah, what are they doing? Something down there that they like. Who's this right here? She looks huge. Big Bessie?
Let's check on Charlie Bear, see how she's doing.
Oh yeah, I did,
Mango, hush it.
He's working.
Who?
You.
Oh yeah.
We got something happening.
Hi, Charlie Bear.
Charlie Bear. How you doing, girl? Addie and Charlie Bear both, the ones that we're keeping our eye on. Addie's right there. They both stayed up here. They're like, I'm not running down that hill again.
See, her bag does look like it's starting to fill up a little bit
Yeah,
to
it
me.
does.
We just gotta keep an eye on that, because that might be like a...
Instant
Boom.
one.
Is this Lizzie?
Yeah, it's gotta be.
Not much happening there, huh?
Lizzie.
Her bag seems a little lower than normal. I don't got nothing. There's probably some around here somewhere because you guys move around so much. You think you got to go to the next spot.
She looked at me like, this man.
That's
What?
some good hay right there. I'd be eating that.
Yeah. I mean, even when we look out the window, it looks super green in that spot right there.
Oh, hi, Spooky. Jermaine, look at Spooky. Look how good she's doing.
She's doing so good.
So I'm trying to find these little cubes in here.
Yeah.
I know.
He's like, I think there's some left.
Spookinator. How you doing, Spooks?
Girl.
I was looking at Addie. I think she's doing. It hasn't much changed. What are you doing? I ain't got nothing for you. You just gotta be loud. You just like hearing yourself talk.
Yeah, you didn't know what's happening. Maybe he doesn't like that they're separated.
He's like, get down here.
What?
Would you just put a plug in it, dude?
I know.
Goodness gracious.
A lot of their fur is thinning out. A
Yep.
lot.
They're gonna start slicking out.
Yeah, they get so slick, like shiny.
Man, when we watched that old video and they just look like...
It looked like solid black skin or solid red skin.
Yeah.
It didn't look like they had any fur
There was
at
no
all.
fur, it was just skin.
Yeah.
Oh,
What's the
Mango, it's
deal?
just so rough, isn't it? Probably get up here, get the boys in, and...
Oh, also, like we were saying, we had family here. They helped us pick up so much trash. It was great.
They really did.
Buckets full. It's not good stuff, girls. It's just rocks.
Just rocks. You want to run the boys inside, get the fence tester, so we can test that?
Yeah. No. What are you doing? Oh, you don't have to get up. You were just being so cute.
That'd be him. You want to grab that gate?
Yep.
If you want, you can pull straight down. All right, guys. Well, sorry for that little quick thing, but maybe you saw a little something. And unfortunately, it's getting dark here. We'd show you, but
Yeah.
I guess,
Can't see. It's hard.
I guess you guys can come hang out with us in the next video. So as always, we appreciate you, we love you, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.